Look what's finally here. Yay! Open it up. Gonna have some very happy birdies. Well, they don't go without, but this is the good stuff. This is the yummy, yummy to the tummy stuff. Okay. Oh, good peanuts. Wonderful. All right. 119. Got your parrot fruit and nut mix. 12 pounds, 7 pounds of pine nuts, 12 pounds of small fruit and nuts. And here we go. There's your pine nuts. And here's the good stuff. Oops, I'm making a mess. Oh, that's been my day all day today. The birds are making a mess all day. I've been cleaning all day. It seems like. Okay, so that's for the big parrots. Yay! Yummy, yummy to the tummy. I mean, you could literally almost eat this out of the bag yourself. It is really, really, really good. Look at the ingredients in there. Papaya, pineapple, banana, raisins, carrots, dates, apricots, green apples, peas, almonds, cashews, nuts, Brazil nuts, pecans, walnuts. I mean, it just goes on. Cashews, pumpkin seeds, corn, yogurt drops. I mean, this is just the bomb. Okay, this is good stuff. Let me see what else I got. That should last 2 weeks, for goodness sakes. I would hope so. Top of that, I'm dehydrating more carrots. And then this is for the littler birds. Oh, kind of heavy. Sorry about the camera here. Turn it around. Okay. Oh, okay. That's for the littler birds. And you got bananas, papaya, you know, just about the same stuff, just smaller so they can eat it. So there we go. That, folks, is $119. Right there. The parrots will be happy, 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 happy parrots. Have a good day.